Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, we're going to take a look at the step-by-step technique of heaving to. When you heave to, you stop the forward momentum of your boat and park the boat in place. This can provide you and your crew a chance to go below, get rest, and cook a meal even in the heaviest weather. First, you want to sail into a close-hauled course, pull the jib sheet in tight, and slow your speed to a crawl. Tack the boat, but do not cast off the jib sheet. After you tack the boat, push a tiller downwind or turn a wheel upwind. The boat will try to sail up into the wind, but the back jib will force the bow away and prevent the boat from tacking through the wind. Allow the sailboat to slow to a stop. Trim the main sheet to angle the sailboat to the wind so that it maintains this position and will not tack through the wind. Now let's take a look at a bird's eye view of a sailboat hove to. As our boat tries to tack through the wind, the back jib forces the bow away from the wind. Once she falls off the wind, again the mainsail and rudder try to sail the boat up into the wind, but the back jib forces the bow away from the wind. This process will continue as long as you have your sails and rudder trimmed for the hove to position. You will drift at a slow pace downwind with a slight bit of forward momentum. Here you can see the relative path that our boat has drifted in the hove to position. Learn what it takes to get your small sailboat to heave to. Use this technique for safer sailing on the waters of the world wherever you choose to sail or cruise. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.